Okay, we're here at 926 South Highland Avenue in Los Angeles. We're running our camera from a 4-inch cleanout located here on the side of the house on the right-hand side where the gas meter is. It's a cleanout for the main sewer line, and that's where we're running our camera from. Now, obviously, we cannot check every pipe in the house. We're going to check the sewer line from this cleanout located here on the side of the house. So you want to have your general inspector crawl underneath, or the plumber, to make sure that the plumbing underneath the house is all okay, it's not leaking, things like that. We're here to check the main sewer line. Right now we have our camera in, and we're all the way out to the city connection, like 95 feet away. I'm going to bring the camera back. You see there's a little bit of roots right there at the connection to the city. This is a concrete pipe coming back. There are some roots. So that connection is definitely a concrete pipe that's right in the middle of Highland Avenue. Then it comes back to, looks like a clay pipe. Now, those roots could be cleaned out. There's no doubt about it. In my opinion, these roots can be cleaned out and they could be maintained probably for many years to come.
Going back to concrete.
Goes back to concrete over here, so there's like a mixture of piping. A little bit of mortar on the joint. My opinion, this pipe is functioning. It's in fair condition. I mean, it does have some roots coming in, but that's what you're going to find. It is a functioning sewer line.
Going back to clay.
Goes back to see several clay to concrete. Some roots coming in. These can be cleaned out with a hydrojetter. Now look, if you had a city inspector look at this, they probably wouldn't buy it, but there is a permit for this house.
4x6.
At the 4x6 now, we're like 5.5 feet deep.
It's a little crack there, you see?
A little bit cracked over there. Now this over here is coming into the property. Okay, let's bring the camera back. Now the thing is over here, we have these ficus trees over here. These bushes, there's ficus bushes, so you're getting roots at every single joint.
Heavy roots.
Roots coming in, every joint.
Big roots there. Heavy roots.
We keep coming back through the front yard. So these roots pretty much are maintainable, but however, it then comes back to a cast iron pipe which runs underneath this like fountain over here. And this is an older pipe that's got roots coming into it. So, but the problem is this is running underneath that pond, and it could be encased in concrete. So you can see it's cracked over here. Now there's a couple of options I can give you over here. The least is to keep maintaining it with cleaning it until one day you've got to replace this pipe. The cast iron looks like it's pretty bad. So you could, because it's running underneath that fountain, I would probably recommend replacing the pipe after the fountain to the sidewalk. Have a piece of ABS plastic. Shoot a lining through the plastic, through the cast iron to the plastic on the other side, because right over here there's plastic over here. This way hopefully you could get a good seal that would last you until it's time to actually replace that pipe, which is going to be a very difficult ordeal. Coming back, this is all ABS plastic. Now, linings will cure much better on a plastic pipe than on a clay pipe or a cast iron pipe.
Going under the house now.
Coming underneath the house now, the cast iron pipe, looking at the inside of the pipe, Appears to be pretty fair condition. It's got very minor rust buildup. It looks pretty round to me. I always recommend that you never flush tampons, baby wipes, paper towels, things like that. So that's it?
That's it.
Okay, so that's your options over here. We'll give you the whatever options you will require here. We'll stop the recording over here.